Hi everyone, I am Dr. Hemavati. Today I am going to describe about the abiotic and biotic components of an ecosystem. Biotic components includes the organic matter, living things, easters, blue crabs, zooplankton and phytoplankton. Whereas abiotic factors includes the physical components such as the climate, sunlight, temperature, nutrient enrichment, humidity and soil. So, what is the difference between abiotic factors and biotic factors? Here, abiotic means non-living things. So, these abiotic factors helpful in determining whether a species can survive in an area. So, depending upon the abiotic factors, the species and the varieties in an area changes. Coming to the biotic factors, there are two types of biotic factors. They are autotrophs and heterotrophs. Autotrophs are the organisms which can able to synthesize their own food material, such as plants. These plants are said to be producers. These producers depend on the solar energy to produce the food material. Consumers feed on the producers. So here consumers are differentiated as herbivores and carnivores, whereas decomposers are the organisms which feed on the dead matter. Once the consumers die, then the decomposers feed on the dead matter of the consumers and the producers and produce the abiotic components. So, abiotic components includes the carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, magnesium, etc. Thank you. I am going to continue the topic in next class. Hi everyone. I am Dr. Hemavati. I am continuing the previous topic, ecosystem. So today here we are learning about the autotrophs. What are autotrophs? The primary producers are called as autotrophs. There are different types of autotrophs. Photoautotrophs, chemoautotrophs. First coming to the photoautotrophs. Photoautotrophs are the plants which can able to fix the light energy from the sun and can able to store it in organic compounds. Whereas coming to the chemoautotrophs. Chemoautotrophs are the bacteria that can able to oxidize the reduced inorganic substances such as sulfur and ammonia compounds. They produce the complex organic compounds. So in this picture you can observe the chemoautotrophs which actually can be seen near the hydrothermal vents. Other chemoautotrophs include the nitrifying bacteria which is present in the soil under our feet. Heteroautotrophs. They cannot able to produce their own food directly from the sunlight. They require energy stored in the complex molecules. Here in this picture you can observe the different types of the heterotrophs. The heterotrophs are grouped as consumers and decomposers. Consumers feed on organisms, whereas decomposers utilize the complex compounds present in the dead organisms. In this picture you can observe the different types of the decomposers such as the earthworms, mosquitoes, housefly, different types of the mushrooms, bacteria, etc. Bacteria, scavengers, saprophytes, parasites and fungi are the main groups of the decomposers. Decomposers, scavengers, saprophytes, and detrivores are the organisms that eat on the dead organic matter. Detrivores eat and digest the decomposed detritus, whereas decomposers are microscopic heterotrophic organisms that can break down organic compounds into inorganic precursors. Snails, earthworms, saprophytic fungi such as the mushrooms are the decomposers, whereas millipedes, woodlice, sea stars, etc. are the detrivores, whereas scavengers are the animals that eat on dead animals, such as the rats, vultures, and beetles. Saprophytes are the heterotrophic organisms that feed on the dead organic matter,